What's up, everybody? Chris Hubbard, 265 Springfield Road, Hillsboro, Illinois, 62049, Hubbard Wood. Man, I'm so blessed to have such awesome friends and such amazing carvers that I've literally met and carved with from all over the world. So this one I got to watch and help put together with my buddy Termite. He came in from Arkansas, carved this thing up. Now I'm going to be doing some finishing details. He's left it where I'm going to finish it out. This one will be available right here at Hubbard Wood, so hopefully all you guys driving by have loved it, have loved seeing it, and make sure you give us a thumbs up on the video, smash that like button, share. Stay tuned, watch this clip on the time lapse, how it was all brought together, and stay tuned for it to be completed and ready. If you're interested, let us know in the comments, tell you a price, you can PM us, messages, all that good stuff. Check this out.
There's something there in the wild, it's a reflection of me. People fight for survival. I'm chasing tails, I'm surrounded, can't stop for a second to breathe. My thoughts are flowing like water. One day soon I will find, I know I am close, I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly, I know I am free, I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. The city keeps me distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving. Just take your mask off and join me. I know you're dying to see all the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will find, I know I am close.
What an awesome carve. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you like what we're doing here at Hubbard Wood. We're really working hard to bring in amazing carvers from all over the world to add into us right here, being right here in Hillsboro, Illinois, just to bring some attraction to Montgomery County, Central Illinois at a crazy time. So make sure you show us some love, smash that like button, hit the subscribe, click the like button on the Facebook page, all those cool things that help us go round.